Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calibrate your power meter on a Wahoo element. First, power on your element and ensure it's awake. Next, confirm your power meter is connected and active. It's crucial that your bike remains stationary and off any trainer or stand during this initial setup. This ensures a stable environment for an accurate calibration process, setting you up for precise power readings from the very start of your ride. To access the calibration function, navigate to the sensors page on your element device. Scroll through the list until you find your paired power meter and select it. Once you've chosen your power meter, you'll see its details. Look for an option clearly labeled Calibrate or Zero Offset. This is the gateway to ensuring your power readings are as accurate as possible, providing reliable data for your training. Now for the calibration itself. It is absolutely essential that no weight is applied to the pedals or cranks during this step. Your feet should be off the bike. Tap the Calibrate button on your element. The device will then communicate with your power meter to perform the zero offset. Wait a few seconds for your element to display a successful calibration message, often accompanied by a small numerical value, confirming the process is complete. For optimal accuracy, it's a best practice to perform a zero offset calibration before every single ride. Additionally, calibrate your power meter after any significant temperature changes, such as moving your bike from a warm indoor space to a cold outdoor environment. Always ensure your power meter's battery is sufficiently charged, as low battery can affect calibration and data accuracy. These simple steps will help maintain consistent and reliable power data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.